Up, up, up. Oh.
Hindi nakita ng tao.
Tayo, tayo. Bitaw, bitaw. Tanan, 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 tanan. Yay! Oh, one more. Tanan, tanan. Oh, 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 oy. Nahihiya pa. Up, up, up. Up, up. Stand. Oh, one hand pa. Oh, oh, oy.
Exercise pa yun.
Tayo.
Exhibition. Ang galing. Ang galing mag-exhibition. Ang galing naman. Talaga naman.
Tayo, tayo.
This bull ring is packed. Capacity crowd overflowing. In fact, getting ready for the guy all of Mexico loves to watch. Jorge Ponce ready to face the great
Stand.
unknown and Devin Woodbonic from Thailand. It's his first fight outside.
Natawan mo si Lolo. Sabi mo? Ang sabi mo?
The only difference really is that Jorge Arce has a little bit more in the reach department.